Hello guys, welcome to channel Phone Mania. So in today's video, we are going to unbox the Vivo X90 Pro. This is the 12GB to 4GB variant of the X90 Pro in the legendary black color. So this is the phone over here. Okay, so let's keep it over here and okay, let's put it over here, and we are getting a big box over here. Okay, and first of all, let's see. Okay, the big brick. Okay, so 120 watt flash charge from Vivo. You can see the adapter, and then again the data cables. So that box is over, and next we are getting another box. So let's check it over. Okay, we are getting the case over here. Okay, so this is the case we are getting. Okay, then apart from that, some paperwork and documentation. So you can see Vivo quick start guide and important information warranty card. So that's it. Apart from that, some IMEI stickers over there. So it's done. So now it's time for the phone. So Vivo X90 Pro. So let me pull it up. Oh wow, you can see extreme imagination. Vivo size co-engineered, and we can see some information regarding the cameras and all. Okay, and look at that camera model, and the T-star coating is mentioned over there too. Okay, and the in-hand feel is really good actually, I would say. Wow, pure premium feel. And this is it, and the left, right, and the top here also it is mentioned professional photography over here. You can see photography. Now let's turn on the device. And let's see how it looks with the case. Okay, oh, this is it, how it looks with the case. But actually the case seems really subtle, but if you remove the case, wow, I would love it without the case. Wow, so this is the Vivo X90 Pro's quick unboxing.